So now the topic is reflection through rectangular glass slab. What we have to do? A little bit topic we have done logically. This we have done in class 10. Suppose this is a rectangular glass slab. A ray of light strikes on one face like this. This is the incident ray. This is the normal for this face. This is the angle of incidence. So as the ray will enter from rarer medium to denser medium, how will it bend? Towards the normal, like this. Fine. So this is the refracted ray. Angle between refracted ray and normal is angle of refraction R. As this ray strikes the face, suppose CD, this will be the normal for this face. This will be the angle of incidence for this ray. Mathematically, angle this and angle this will be same. So we can write this also as R. So as the ray will pass from glass to air, how will it bend? Away from the north. Like this. So practical observations are that incident ray and emergent ray. This ray is known as incident ray. This is refracted ray. And this ray is emergent ray. So practical observations are that incident ray and emergent ray are parallel to each other, and this angle is known as angle of emergence. Angle of incidence is equal to angle of emergence always. So mathematically also, when this angle will be equal to this angle, then only these two rays can be parallel. So if we extend this ray, that means this was the original ray, incident ray. The perpendicular distance between these two rays is known as lateral shift. Lateral shift. Fine. So our aim is to find the value of lateral shift. The lateral shift depends on which factors? Fine. So perpendicular distance we have to see. So perpendicular distance we can find from here also. We can find from any point. So suppose this point is P, this is Q, this is R. Fine. So if we see in triangle PQR, we have to find this QR. So this angle, suppose this is angle 1. So sine of this angle we can say as this by this. That means QR by PQ. That is sine of angle 1 is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is PQ. This by this. Now what is angle this? Angle this, if we talk about, these two rays are intersecting. This complete angle is equal to angle I. So angle 1 will be left with I minus R. This complete angle is I. उसमें से R minus कर देंगे, this angle will be left. So we can write sine of I minus R is equal to QR by P. QR is our end. QR हमने find करना था lateral shift. So QR is equal to PQ into sine of I minus R. Now what is the value of this PQ? PQ find करने के लिए let us come to this triangle. This was Q and this was S. So from triangle PSQ, this was the first equation. Suppose from triangle PSQ, this we have to find. This we know if the thickness of the slab is suppose D, it is given. So this we have to find. So if we apply cos of R, cos R will be equal to base by hypotenuse. That means PS by PQ. PS by PQ. तो यहाँ से PQ की वैल्यू आ जाएगी. From here we can say PQ is equal to PS by cos R. Fine. So we put the value of PQ here. So finally we can say that QR, which is equal to our lateral shift, is equal to PQ. PQ की वैल्यू क्या है? PS by cos R, and PS is equal to D, small d, D by cos of R into sin of I minus. So this is the value of lateral shift. Fine.